Hi, this is Shubhra from Tutorial. Today I will show you how to check the system information or how to show the your personal computer graphics information and all those information about your personal computer CPU, GPU and all those things. So what all you have to do in Windows 10 is that write in the search option dxdiag and run the command. Okay, that will take you some 1 or 5 seconds. Yes, there you are. That is displaying my computer information, all those information about your system manufacturer, model, processor and all those things, and you that will show the graphics card informations also. This is the graphics card information, and this is the sound card information. All those things are there in that tool. So that's how you can see your computer's information about your system. Another way you can do that in Windows 8 and Windows 7, you can go to run and run the same command dxdiag, and and it will show the same information, that will run the same thing. So thanks for watching that video tutorial. If you have any type of queries, please do write in the comment section and let me know so that I can help you in the next video. Thank you for being with us. Please subscribe my channel Tutorial. I'm Shubhro from Tutorial. Subscribe my channel. There is a subscribe button there. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.